Alright, the first step to duplicating this beautiful home screen setup is setting the wallpaper. Links to it, along with all the required files and apps, are in the description below, so make sure to download them all. Once you've set the wallpaper, set Nova Launcher as your default launcher in your device settings. To save you time, I've created a backup file of all my Nova Launcher settings. You can download it from the description and import it to instantly transfer all my home screen settings to yours. To do that, long press on your home screen, tap Settings, scroll down to Backup and Restore, tap Restore Backup, locate the file you downloaded, and hit OK. Just like that, my setup is transferred to your phone, as you can see. Now we just need to load the widgets. Our setup uses 3 widgets, all from a pack called Coda for Custom. It's a free widget pack featuring over 100 options across multiple categories and styles. To load the first widget, tap the empty widget frame on your home screen. Open the widget pack, select widget number 55 and tap it. If needed, you can adjust its size under the Layer tab. Tweak it to your liking and hit the Save button. It's a clean, aesthetic widget that displays your next 2 upcoming calendar events, so you never miss them. You can add future events directly by tapping this plus button. To load the second widget, tap the next empty frame and select widget number 104. It's a beautiful clock widget that also shows the current date and the week number of the year. Just like before, you can scale and align it to fit cleanly in the center of your wallpaper. To adjust its placement, tap the Overlap group, head to the Position tab, tweak the Y-axis position and save your changes. The final element is widget number 13, a sleek music widget that displays the artist name for whatever media is playing on your device. Increase its scale to fit nicely on your screen, then save your changes. Lastly, the icon pack used for this setup is the Monoic White Minimal Icon Pack. It's a free pack featuring over 17,000 transparent white icons that complement this theme perfectly. If you prefer a different look, head to Launcher Settings, Look and Feel, Icon Style and swap in any icon pack you like. And that's it. It really is that easy to customize your Android home screen like a pro. Drop a like if you enjoyed this setup, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and hit subscribe for more Android customization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.